While the little horse did not regain consciousness, the crocodiles quickly came forward to catch it. When the little horse was dragged into the water, many crocodiles were ready to eat it. And this time, the crocodiles ate the deer, including his mother. The first group of beasts was stopped by the river. They wanted to cross the riverbank, so they had to face the fierce crocodiles. They were terrified, so they hesitated to cross the river. Next, they changed their position, which seemed to be the only choice. And this also caused a tragedy for the mother and son of the little horse. The horse usually leads the army. But this time, the horse also chose to look at the river, and the little horse's mother was more anxious. Because of the long journey, they had to arrive at the bank as soon as possible to get food. The crocodiles began to enter the riverbed from a new position. This made the horse's family behind them also hesitated. The crocodiles are good at short-distance sprinting. They are good at jumping. Their bodies are full of willpower. When they jump into the river, they are as fast as a horse. But the horses don't have such an advantage. They are a long-lasting species. They are even better at shooting from a long distance. However, looking at the crocodile family, they went down the river. The horse's family behind them was also ready to join the crocodile family. This also included the inexperienced young man. The new riverbed is very high. The crocodile family repeatedly observed here. The crocodiles jumped off the riverbed beyond the ability of the horses. So the horse's mother took the young man to try from another place. But just as they jumped off the riverbed, the disaster still happened. The surveillance recorded the entire tragedy. The horse's mother jumped off the riverbed and broke her front leg, and so did her young man. Perhaps the injury was lighter than the mother's, but the young man was still in a daze. The killer was getting closer. Maybe he had never been attacked by a crocodile before. Maybe it's because of his body. Under the guidance of his mother, the young man didn't know he was in danger. As a result, the crocodile took the prey easily. In the process of hunting, the horse's mother was struggling, but soon the young man was pushed into the water by the crocodile. But in addition to being in a hurry, the crocodiles were also worried about the injured horse's mother. The young man was killed by the crocodiles. The mother endured the pain and tried to get up, but her injury was very serious. She couldn't stand up at all. Soon, other crocodiles rushed in. The young man's mother also decided to sacrifice her life for her mistake. And for the crocodiles, such a thing brought them hope. As the crocodile's family captured two prey, the crocodiles also began to prepare to cross the river from their original position. Of all the crocodile teams, the number of the young man's horse was the most. Of course, the price they paid was also the most. Every time there was a killing, unfortunately, the crocodiles sacrificed their lives to save the whole group. So they were able to reach the other side of the river. These are the descendants of the survivors. However, there is only one life. Any wrong decision will lead to tragedy. A long journey to find food is actually a dangerous journey to death.